Hello guys, and this is BlockMatrix Tron wall tab designed by the BlockMatrix, and you can see there are three sections: get your account balance, deposit section, withdraw section, and this is transfer section. You can also follow us on various social networks such as Facebook, etc, etc. This is the link for this video, and you can buy the source code of this dApp if you are excited about how it works or anything. For this tab to work, you must have installed this Tron link account and run on Shasta testnet, and you must have at least one account imported or created having sufficient Tron amount in it in order to test or run this dApp. So when I select this account and get balance, you can see that it returns me 0 TRX because I have not deposited anything in this dApp yet until now. If I try to deposit 100 TRX from the test account 10, it says deposited successfully. I hope so. It will say yes, it says deposited successfully. And now if you check, you will find out that your 100 TRX are reduced from your account, and that 1 TRX is the charge for something, and if you now try to get the balance, you will be getting full 100 TRX as in return. Also, there is a withdraw section. If you try to withdraw 50 TRX from this account, then you will be left with 50 TRX in the account, and you will be transferred your 50 TRX from this wallet to your test wallet. If you check now, you will be credited with 50 TRX. As such, it's successful. And if you try to get balance now from here, it will return the remaining balance, and it is in case 50 TRX. Okay, it's working fine until now. Now if I select the test account 09 and get the balance, it will return 0 TRX because the second user has not deposited anything in this account. And now let's deposit 100 TRX from this account, and what happens now is that the 10% of the deposit amount will be charged for the depositing for the second person, and that 10% will be distributed among the existing users equally. So it says successfully deposited, and now it has charged 10% for depositing the amount in Tron Vault, and that deposited amount is successfully transferred. The deposited amount is successfully transferred to this account, and if we now try to get the balance, it will return 90 TRX because the 10% has reduced as a charge amount for the second user, and the 10% means that 10 TRX will be credited to the existing user in this case, which is test account 10. And if you now try to get the balance from the first user, it will return the 50 plus 10, it means 60 TRX only. It's correct. So this is how this app works. And if I try to deposit some TRX with the help of third user, then what happens is this. Let's check if it has got any existing amount or not. No, it hasn't got any existing TRX balance. And now what happens is, if I try to deposit 100 TRX from the third user, it will be also charged as 10%, and the 10% is equally distributed in the existing users. So now let's try and get the balance from this third user, and it will be 90 TRX as. And let's check if the charge amount is equally distributed among the existing users or not, in case this test account 10 and test account 09 are our two existing users, and 10% of the third user's deposited amount, which will be 10 TRX, is distributed among these two equally. That means 5 TRX each. So let's select that account and get the balance. It has 90 TRX previously and now it has 95. Let's check for the test account 10. I think it has got 60 TRX previously, now it must have got 65 TRX, and yes, it has 65 TRX now. If you like this tab, I am sure you are going to buy this source code for this. If you are interested, please follow to my website www.theblockmatrix.com, and you will be getting the new updates whenever I create new dApps as such. Now let's check out the other two sections if it's working or not. I select the test account 08 for the withdraw purpose, and let's check the existing balance of this account. I think it has got 90 TRX, correct? And if you try to withdraw 100 TRX from this account, obviously it is going to be the error, because 90 TRX is what the total amount and he is trying to withdraw 100 TRX. Let's try to withdraw now 50 TRX, if it gets success or not. And yes, withdraw is successful. Now if I try to get the balance, it must be 90 minus 50, 40 TRX, and yes, it's 40 TRX, correct. Now let's try to look out for transfer section. What we are going to do is we are going to transfer some TRX between two accounts, test account 10 and test account 09. So let's select the test account 010 and check the balance of the user. It is 65 TRX, and for the test account 09, I think it is 95 TRX. I think yes, it's 95 TRX. Now what we are going to do is we are going to transfer some TRX from this test account 09 to test account 10. Just copy the test account 10's address and paste it here, and we need to write the transfer amount and then transfer. Just check OK and transferred successfully. Now let's check the balance, if 10 TRX is debited from the 09 account or not. It earlier has got 95, now it's 85. Yes, 10 TRX has been debited, and let's check if 10 TRX is credited on the test account 10 or not. And yes, I think it has got earlier 65, now it's 75 TRX. Yes, the transfer section is also working. If you like this app, you can buy the source code of fully, or if you are interested in learning the dApp programming, follow me or just mail me. I have given all the required contact details on my website, also on the social network. Thank you.